Go over the order form stuff real. So you can right there on your phone through the TNPC app or in here. It's going to, no matter where you go, it's going to ask for this address first. I'm just going to make something up at the moment. Now on lot size, it doesn't have to be exact if you don't want it to. You just put in a number 1, you can put in -1, but the main reason for this is sometimes we have somebody asking for drone pictures with a house and we don't know if it's just a small lot or if it's 20, 30, 40, 50 acres, and so we don't really know what to anticipate. So this just kind of makes it so we know. After that, then you choose the type of property. If it's just say it's just outside pictures of a home and we're not doing any interior, then you can choose the lot land. You don't have to choose residential right away, but or if it's a commercial building, rental property, whatever. If it's a rental property for sale, you can still leave it as residential. It's same selections, but any case. So let's just say lot land for a second. It is only going to show you options related to that category. So it's not going to give you all the interior photo options and virtual tours and stuff like that. It's only going to give you things that can be done, with that option. If you go to residential, then it's going to suddenly give you all of those different things. And now you notice here with Matterport, it's only giving you one option, and the reason being is that is actually based off of the square footage. So like say we change that to a larger square footage, now that just changed it. Photos, we actually leave this so that you can choose whatever you want, because sometimes we have people that just do it based off of the square footage, and some people want to say, hey, we still have a 4,000 square foot house, but we only want 25 of the best images, so we do that. And then after that, say you want some drone pictures, you can click on that. Once that happens, you notice that there's a change at the bottom. These couple things get added. The boundary box is something that we try to do when it is asked for, but we can't always guarantee it. There's different tours, whether it be Zillow, or we have these other 360 tours that are kind of neat. We have the marketing kit if you want to buy that in advance so that that's ready for you when everything is delivered. We have different floor plan options, virtual staging, so on and so forth, videography, things like that. And then when you get down here, you can either choose any available, and if you do that, it's not going to show you the calendar. So don't freak out when you do that. You just click on skip scheduling for now. You can put in notes, do you want us to charge your card? Do you want, or is there a lockbox or some other access? Whatever notes you want, that kind of stuff. Click agree, and then you'd place order. If you want to see options, you can either click me or Caleb, and it'll show you our schedule, and it'll give you some recommendations. And then, or you can say click calendar, and then it'll show you some different things, and it'll try to give you some good options. And then you just pick one, and you go down, and then you click agree and place your order. If you have something, say you did select some videography, well, the videography is now going to show up for Caleb, but it's not going to show up for me. You can actually split those, like see how I just clicked my name and it said the things I qualify for I can do and Caleb will do the video, or you can just click over here in the area on Caleb and he'll do everything. But again, if you just have this, it's not going to show you the calendar. If you want a calendar, you're going to have to click on the individual photographer, and then you can see in this case when it splits it, now you have a calendar for me and a calendar for Caleb when it splits it up like that, and it's going to make 2 separate appointments. Or again, you just click scheduling and leave it at that. But anyways, that's it for scheduling.